Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making a quick backup. It's faster than recovering lost data. Once saved, go straight to the sheet tabs at the bottom and click the tab you intend to delete. You're doing this now to confirm you've selected the correct page. Make sure there are no hidden ranges or external links referencing that sheet. If formulas on other sheets reference it, note those cells so you can update them later. This avoids broken formulas once the sheet is gone. You can remove the sheet via right-click Delete, which is intuitive, or use the ribbon shortcut. Press Alt, then H, then D, then S to delete quickly. This speeds repetitive work. Once done, Excel may prompt for confirmation. Click Delete to proceed. Make sure you want to commit because unsaved content will vanish. If the sheet is protected, unprotect it first. Enter the password or ask whoever locked it. Doing that ensures the delete command is accepted without errors. After deletion, save the workbook to finalize changes. You save as if you prefer keeping a previous version. This gives you an easy rollback. Once saved, scan for broken references. Press Ctrl+F to find the old sheet name and formulas, or use Excel's error checking to locate #ref. Errors, then update formulas to valid ranges. If something went wrong, close without saving and reopen your backup, or use File Info Manage Workbook.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.